Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Hi, guys. Hello, Churchill. Hi, Aditi. Hi, Dia. Hello, Rishu. Hello, Deepak. Hi, Kavi Priya. Welcome to the session. Hello, Vishal. Hi, Devanshu, Megha, Avi, Jay, Abhi, Pallavi, Khushbu, Sanskriti, Naruto, Zoya, Vishal, Ravina. Who is Ravina? Anubhav, Reena, Garima, Devanshi, Lekhna, KK, Devanshi, Shivam, Tarang, Abhishek, Anushka. Welcome to the session, guys. Hello, LK. Thank you, Anushka. Hi, Abhi. Hello, Himanshu. Hello, Shashwat, Anand. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Hello. He's good. Hola, Dia. Welcome to the session. Hi, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone. Thank you, Akash. Hi, Shashwat. Hello, Avinash. Happy Teachers Day, Garima. Hello, Mayank. Hi, Avinash. Welcome to the session. Thank you, Dias. Thank you so much. Hello, Kshitij. Guys, good to see all of you. How is everyone? Good, guys. Good to see everyone join in. Array, nothing. I just hurt myself. Hi, LK. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you for all the hat dedications. Thank you for all the messages on the group. Thank you for all the personal wishes that you have sent me. Thank you for the love that you showed me during the class. Thank you, guys. It really, really means a lot to me. Thank you, Mayank. Thank you, Ravina. Thank you, Vishal. Hi, Shreyashi. Hello, Anand. Honestly, guys, in these last 2 years, which have been really tough on me for various reasons, health and all of that, it's just that, to know that all of you guys are there and some of you even from the last year do come up, just to wish me and show up. It really means a lot to me. So thank you and thanks a lot. Hena, thank you so much, Devanshu. Thank you, guys. It really means a lot. Arey Anushka, thank you so much. Hi Vishwaroop. Hello Labani. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you. Hi Amresh. See, I mean, all of you from last year showing up to class. It's amazing, guys. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. Hi Prathama. Hello Priya. Just hurt myself, Mayank. Arey Anushka, thank you. That's really sweet. It's just overwhelming. That's all. Thanks, Dia. नहीं हुआ था आज विशाल 11 a.m. Thank you, Vishwaroop. Thank you, Megha. That's really sweet, Pallavi. Thank you, Labani. I'm good, Amresh. He's good too. I'm controlling Devanshu. Hi, Jatin. I hurt myself a little, Avinash. But it's really sweet, guys. Thank you. It's really nice to feel valued for all the efforts that you have put in. So it feels really nice. Thank you. Thanks, Dia. Hi, Manisha. Thank you, Sanskriti. Really sweet, guys. Okay. I'm not Devansh. Not Devansh. I'm trying not to. Yes, Lekhna. Off late, that's what it's been, but it's really good. Thank you, Shreyashi. Hi, Vishesh. Hello, Ayan. Thank you, Kshitij. I've never met more wonderful students than you. I'm really thankful. Thanks, Akash. Hannah, true Devanshu. I'm really glad that I chose this profession, and I'm really glad that, in these tough times, also, considering the situation and all of that, still you guys are there, and I'm really thankful. It's an academy that I met all of you. Thanks, Ayan. That's so sweet, Avinash. Hi, Jagriti. Hello, Simran. Hi, Nishit. Thank you. Welcome. Nil, so sweet. So sweet, everyone. Hi, Tarang. How are you? I am Anushka. Thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. And very sweet messages you've written, guys. All the hats. Nay, Divanshu, I made my mom read the poem as well. I mean, all your messages, I shared it with my mom just right now. And, even she's like, this very nice. Like, she was also like very, very. Uh, Hi, Avi. Yes, I showed her what you had made and sent also. She was so sweet, Nishit. Thank you. Hi, Kashvi. Anubhav, no, I read that in your app dedication also. That is too much. I'm proud to have you as my students. Yes, Dia, of course. Thank you, Rishu. That's really sweet. Are Devanshi, of course. No, your messages mean the world to me. Thank you. Thanks, Shivam. Are Megha, vice versa. Even I need your blessings going forward in life. And I just feel, because I have so much love with, like, your, love and, well wishes with me, that it's all going to be okay. Thank you, Deepak. That's really sweet. Hi, Roshan Lal. Arey, Devanshu, then I'm lucky. Hi, Manoj. Yes, I won't, Devanshi. I won't. Okay. Guys, shall we start the class then? Thanks, Dia. चलो आज क्लास नहीं अरे क्यों 1 minute guys this band-aid keeps falling off ah hi Karishma अरे so sweet yeah you guys are मस्ती के लिए Nisha just got a little hurt I don't know like suddenly क्या हो Nubu is you want to meet him no Vishal I hope it gets Shiva there is no one like that anymore hi Spriha correct Devanshu we'll meet Nubu and then we'll start the class. Done? Hi Mukesh. Yes? I'll see where he is. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute and then we'll start. अच्छा 1 second guys अच्छा हाय करो सबको हाँ यस गाइस चलो बाय कर दो Oh guys, he's giving you a kiss. जल्दी देखो प्यार करो. Okay, चलो bye bye करो. Okay guys. Raise hand, raise hand. Array, yes. No one raised hand. Yes, yes, no problem, Avinash. We'll get through it. But PJs में दिक्कत होता है उतना मत इतना don't take it to heart because odd one out है, para summary है, you can build up. Okay, so don't worry. PJs नहीं हो रहे, it's okay. तो उसको करते जाओ, don't leave it. But we'll also go through it. But it's okay. PJs are very dicey. So always have a backup with you. But we will solve it. वो basic से. अच्छा. Yes, Tia. Raise hand, Amresh is there. Wherein you raise hand, I invite you to speak and you can actually speak to me. So I'll just have to press like it, but I think it's applicable to plus subscribers. Hi, yes, Abhi. VA. Okay. Does anybody want to speak? Raise hand. Hi, Harshita. Of course, Dia. Hena, true, Devanshu. Hi, Bhavesh. Chalo, then who wants to raise hand? Great, Dia. Can't wait. Okay, then we'll get started. Hi, Ayush. Let's get started. 1 minute, guys. We'll get started then. अरे लग गया हर्षिता. अक्टूबर में आएगा गाइस 22 का बैच. Let me check, Nishit. Valley story. अरे दिया. No guys, nobody's raised their hands. This is a surprise class. Very nice, Mrinal. Story. Okay, no, अच्छा my story. वो आपको पता ही है, the dog story and the beach story. You know that, ना? You all know that. Hi, Verma. Yes, Diya, dying to visit. नहीं पता. अच्छा, then I'll tell you in short. So I'm terrified of dogs. Really, very, very terrified of dogs. Bhavesh, it started at 8:30. Okay, so I'm really terrified of dogs. Like if there's a dog, I'll be like really far from it. So I love dogs, but I'm really terrified of them. So I had gone to this, I love traveling. So we keep visiting like really offbeat places. So I had gone to this valley in Himachal. ठीक है तो my it was I think वो valley में सुबह it was thank you Varma, very sweet. So I had gone to a valley. Yes, Arthik, I'll come to the questions. So I'd gone story time chahiye tha na aapko, so one short story. So I'd gone to the valley, and in the morning, like at 6 a.m. or there's nobody in the valley. It's terribly cold. There's no one. Okay, my parents are in the room sleeping. My sister's not there. Nobody. The one is there in the valley, and I walked to the middle of the valley, and this dog. Okay, it was a small puppy actually. It comes somewhere from the woods, and it comes barking at me, and it's coming to chase me. And so I got scared. I'm scared of puppies. So I've shouted and yelled, and in the whole valley, my voice has echoed and echoed and echoed. And then I've run from there, and things like that, and all of that. So that was the valley story, which students pulled my leg for last year, and I have officially embarrassed myself even this year. Yes, Amresh. Correct. Yes, they are like, Mommy, Papa. I'm shouting, and he's just a puppy, but still, I was like really scared, and I'm shouting. And the whole valley, like literally, people had to come out of their cars and rooms because in the valley, your voice echoes. The hotel was very near to the valley. So I'm shouting and yelling and all of that. So, yeah, so I've officially embarrassed myself even this year. So that was the valley story. Good evening, Neha. Me too, Devanshi, but I've had really bad experiences with them. Like I've always been chased by them for no apparent reason. Hi, Seema. Verbal ability, Neha. And Shivam. Good evening, Ekta. Are, yes, Tia, I hope so. Let's see. Good evening, guys. I want everyone to join the group Unacademy_Ritu Dudoria. Okay, for your complete preparation. I know Harshita, and we're really cute, and they're really sweet, and they're really nice. I really love them. I wish I wasn't scared of them, but I just don't know why I'm really scared of them. Okay, guys, pinned up the link. Thanks, Pallavi. Where Devanshu? एक मिनट एमबीए की कोई अच्छी सी स्टोरी हाँ उसमें तो मतलब सिर्फ वर्क 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 था मेरी जितनी भी स्टोरीज है वो सब ट्रैवलिंग को लेकर है करेक्ट अविनाश so guys near death experiences in beaches and stuff like that I just have like a lot of traveling stories no Neha you're on time yes Pallavi tell me my favorite teacher in my life was my teacher in kindergarten. In LKG, when I was in LKG, she was my favorite teacher. So I remember I never wanted to go to school. I never wanted to leave my mom and go to school. So she would sing songs for me. She would make me come to class, and she used to call me Alu Bhunda because I was very, very chubby. Still am, was then too. So she used to call me Alu Bhunda. My UKG teacher used to call me Laddu. So there's like a lot of these, they were really sweet. So my LKG teacher, yes. Who's my inspiration? My inspiration would be my parents because they've always stood up for me. So anyone who stands up for you and who believes in you should be your inspiration. Yes, Neha, I pretended all of that. Thank you, Kashvi. Thank you that at least someone thinks of me like this. Thank you. Yes, 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 Bangalore. अरे पल्लवी मैंने क्या बोल दिया No, no, Avinash. So, hi, Ronak. Yes, yes, Dia, where is your comment? And Dia, where gets very hectic. I know. Array, no, guys, I was just joking. My name wasn't Laddu. I was just kidding. Who said? Whose name was Laddu? Okay. It's good that you don't know my real pet name then. Oh, Amresh, so sad, like small little Amresh. Gudu is my sister. Cupcake, are so sweet. Yes, Avinash. Dance Shubha. Nice, Devanshu. Dia, I'm so glad you're not on Plus and nobody can read this. No, thank you, Harshita. Nice plan, but it'll backfire on me. Okay, nice. Chalo, guys, shall we start with the discussion? I want all of you to take the Plus subscription, guys, and apply the code Ritu MBA. Not according to Devanshu Laddu MBA. No, you have to apply the code Ritu MBA. Yes, Amresh. दो वाली काशवी आप analysis भेजो, I will go through it. Okay, so guys, these are the upcoming batches. Do subscribe. Okay. Done, Diya. Nice, Devanshu. Arey guys, I'm so glad I took this class today because I've smiled. You know, it's thank you. No, Devanshu, I reading your comment, I smiled. Thank you. Okay, come on, guys, let's get started. Price hike होने वाला है, guys, 16 September. Please make sure that all of you attend. YouTube attend करो और special classes attend karo, guys, every day 8 p.m. Guys, do you want two special classes? Like, do you want a class at no, can I keep the class tomorrow at 11 a.m., guys? Only for a couple of days. At 11 a.m., then we'll go back to our 8 p.m. slot. Yes? I will let you know. I will decide and I will let you know on the group. Okay? Done. Office and college. Acha, I will look into it, guys. It's just that I need, I'll check it out. Okay, come on, guys. Let's get started. Chalo, para jumble. Come on, para jumble question on your screens. Done, Neha. We'll look into it. ये किया है क्या, guys? Yeah, wait. Okay, let's go to the next one. Thank you, Ronak. ये हार्ड है नेक्स्ट. वो पीजे विशाल कर चुके हैं हम लोग, तो we'll go to odd one out. पीजे भी आएगा, इसके बाद पीजेज ही है. By the way, guys, after you solve this, I will. Okay, you solve this first. So Unacademy gave us a really good surprise. Apart from the goodie box and all of that, they also gave us some interesting statistics. Individualized statistics for everyone. So I want to tell you my statistics. I've taken 535 classes since I've joined Unacademy. So that's a total of 694 hours of live teaching only on the app, not YouTube, apart from the YouTube. So I have on Unacademy, on the platform, only the Unacademy platform, not YouTube, taught 15,257 learners, different learners, for a total of 20 lakh minutes, only on the app. Then the topmost passionate super fans. So this applies to, since those have been with me from last year, जिन्होंने मेरे क्लासेस सबसे ज्यादा मिनट्स के लिए देखे हैं. First is रोहित खुल्लर. He's watched my class for 22,000 22,700 minutes. Himanshu Gupta, 20,500 minutes. Dia, 20,000 minutes. Amresh, 16,200 minutes. And Pratham, 14,700 minutes. So these are the top 5 in the ranking of watching my classes. My learners have come from 36 different states and union territories in India. The top regions by my viewership have been Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Bihar. And 741 learners have come in the top 30 in the tests that have happened. And the remotest town that my classes have helped in has been Rajgarh in Himachal Pradesh, which has only a population of 2,527. So yeah, so it's really sweet that Unacademy has gone and done this and given individualized statistics for every single educator. Hi Sagar, of course Devanshu. करेक्ट काशवी नहीं ये आप लोग नए हो ना तो इसलिए आप ये तो मतलब दोज आई थिंक ज्यादा पिछले अरे क्षितिज दैट वाज जस्ट टॉप 5 आई एम श्योर यू आर देयर but it's really sweet guys. Correct Devanshi. Okay, right now let's look at this pastoral are those pastures जहाँ पे वो जो gardens होते हैं जहाँ grazing होता है grazing grounds that's called pastoral Devanshi. Okay guys, try this out. Okay, shall we start the poll, guys? क्या नेहा? Okay, let's start the poll. Oh, that's so sweet, Dia. Thank you. आप लोग के हुए होंगे नेहा, like at least I think 5,000-6,000 minutes. Hi Pratham, you just missed 3 very important things. I joined last year in May, Shiva. बताओ Devanshu. Wow, Amresh. Correct, Abhishek. Very good. 1 minute, guys. Thank you, Pratham. You missed 3 very important things, Pratham. You missed a lot of things today, which you could have, trolled me for. Oh, Are, Devanshu, so sweet. Are, no problem, Diya. No, Pratham, I'm glad you joined now. By the way, Pratham, you are one of my top 5 students जिन्होंने मेरे classes सबसे ज़्यादा देखे हैं. So this is the statistics that Unacademy has given us. So thank you. Okay, come on, guys. So the answer to this question is 1. हाँ, डन प्रथम. थोड़ी मेहनत आपको करनी पड़ेगी. Thank you, Diya. नहीं आकाश, YouTube का नहीं था. अरे Shivam, so sweet. 10 November. Okay, come on, guys. Nahi Pratham, you deserve a lot more than just iPhone. You deserve a big thank you. So thank you. Okay, so Vishal, इसका order है 3524. Okay. हाँ, yes, Pallavi. So sweet, Akash. Thank you. Okay, come on, guys, let's discuss this. Okay, the coming of spring for medieval poets usually means the chance of something exciting happening. Can be your opener. The poem cannot be your opener. The poem, matlab, which poem? A long debate between the two birds. Which two birds? The 13th century poem, The Owl and the Nightingale, begins in just such a way. Which way? The Nightingale accuses the owl. तो ये तो उनका डिबेट के बारे में है. Disturbing this peaceful setting are an owl and a nightingale who are having a furious argument. This peaceful setting. Now, guys, can I say ye charo statements are connected by the theme of the story? Hi, Anna. Now, but the confusion is the opener has to be one. यहाँ पे द पोएम दिया है, यहाँ पे सच अ वे दिया है, यहाँ पे दिस पीसफुल दिया है, यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूएशन दिया है. So that's the confusion. So any person would start with one as the opener. Correct. Usually anybody starting this para would begin with one as the opener. Right. Then after that, you are going to put three. Hi Anna. The 13th century poem, The Owl and the Nightingale, begins in such a way with the poet in a pastoral valley full of blossom. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमने three लगाया. Though in one we do not know what is at such a way. We still don't know what is at such a way. But we've decided that, okay, one is going to be our opener and then we put three. Fine. After three. Now, this is a peaceful setting. Pastoral valley full of blossom. Can I say 3 or 5 का connection होगा? Disturbing this peaceful setting are an owl and a nightingale. Correct. And 5 is required because अगर 5 नहीं है तो the two birds नहीं हो सकता. So 5 is required. फिर the two birds. Who are the two birds? The owl and the nightingale. Long debate between the owl and the nightingale. Attack each other from lugubrious means sad. They attack each other from every possible angle. Each bird criticizes her opponents, defends herself, discussing everything from their physical appearance to the musicality of their song, their nesting habits, and the effect they have on the human beings. Now, 4. The nightingale accuses the owl of being ugly and lugubrious while the owl attacks. So, guys, isn't this a part of their discussion? Isn't this a part of their discussion? Correct. Now, guys, the question is, which statement are you going to take out? या तो हम 4 को निकालेंगे या तो 1 को निकालेंगे. But guys, why do we need to keep 1? If 1 and 3 also, they're not really connected. Such a way. Which way? In 1, they've not described any way. Yes or no? They've not described any way, right? So which is the least consequential statement, which is not a part of the mandatory pair? Can I say 1 is not a part of the mandatory pair? Just because this can be an opener. Maybe it's connected to the previous para which describes the way. Did you understand this offbeat question, guys? Yes, it teaches us a very important lesson. What exactly is odd one out? Clear theme पे focus करो. Not necessarily the first paragraph. It could be a continuation of a previous para. Any statement which is not a part of any mandatory pair, you can treat that as your odd one out. Clear? Okay, next one. Hi, Jyoti. Next one. Yes, Bhavesh. Correct, Ayush. Come on, guys. Para jumble. Come on, everyone. Come on. No, Dia. You? Which part, Devanshu? Sure, Devanshu. Nice, yeah. What did you have? हाँ, it's okay, Pallavi. When I started reading books also, मेरे को सारे words के meaning नहीं पता थे. फिर जब एक ही author को, when I read them again and again, what happens is I pick up those words. I understand those words क्योंकि वो frequently use होते हैं. So it's okay. You're bound to encounter several words in a book that you've never even heard of before. Good, Dia. I think fried rice. Yes, Sanskriti. I have uploaded it. I'll upload it again. What was your doubt, Devanshu? Are you went and watched? Nice, Pratham. Very fast. Very, very fast. Correct, Pallavi. I can't see your comment, Devanshu. No, thank you, Pratham. You can't see a comment, Devanshu. You had a doubt, but वो आया नहीं. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's poll. Which the one that comes in the other examinations, Devanshi? Acha, Devanshi, right? Cat wala na? आप cat वाला बोल रहे हो ना? Okay, so Devanshi, did you solve the 100 questions wala PDF that I put on the group? Okay, guys, the answer to this question is 32415. Arey, very nice, Ayan. Correct. I'll explain, Bhagesh. एक मिनट आज तक मैंने अरे Devanshu, I really feel that too. So I'm not able to, even I feel that. But maybe he's really good at PJs. Don't worry, Ekta, we'll see. और आप मेरे को बताओ कि exactly where did you go wrong? Okay. I know, Pallavi, वो एक glitch है. I know, Devanshu, but I think, he's really good. Like their students are really good at odd one out, para completion, para summary, RC. PJs are really his thing. Like he has, but I really don't know why exactly. Correct, Tia. Okay, let's see this, guys. Even those structures, listen to this. Those who've got it wrong, don't worry, listen to this. Even those structures considered to be of national, state, or local importance in India and protected as such remain under threat from urban pressures. Okay, so it says even those structures. Fine. With structures, those considered to be of national, state, or local importance in India and protected as such. Fine. Guys, can this be your opening sentence? Can this be your opening sentence? Grammatically, it can. Grammatically, it can. Grammatically, it can, because when you say those structures with structures which are considered of national, state, or local importance, and they are protected as such, protected as how? As national, state, or local importance. Okay, so it can be, grammatically, it can be. Each region of our subcontinent, R, who is that R? Boasts of monumental buildings and remarkable archaeology. India, with several millennia of history, boasts of a diverse and rich built heritage. Can I say 3 is going to be the opener, guys? Yes? Can I say 3 is going to be the opener? India, context, millennia of history, diverse and rich built heritage, opener. Yet, less than 15,000 monuments and heritage structures are legally protected in India, a fraction of the 6 lakh protected in the UK. Okay, now guys, आपको ये देखना है कि this sentence is, this sentence, रुको, 5 बोल रहा है this poor state of preservation. Now guys, can I say that 1 and 5 are connected? What is the poor state of preservation? Pressures, neglect, vandalism, demolition. Yes or no? 1 and 5 का connection होगा, the poor state of preservation. Okay. Our subcontinent. किसका subcontinent? India का subcontinent. Yes or no? Now, guys, it becomes very important. I don't know how many of you did this. Whenever there is a yet, please do a categorization. Whenever there is a but yet, please do a categorization. ये negative है, ये positive है, ये positive है, ये negative है, ये negative है. So can I say कि 4 is going to be the transition? Hi Anna, 4 is going to be the transition from the positive to the negative. One transition is possible, right? So 4 is going to be the transition. So 3 and 2 are going to come together because they are positive, and then 4 से yet लेके पूरा negative होगा. Now 3 और 2 में से 2 3 होगा या 3 2 होगा? Of course it will be 3 2. India and then our subcontinent. So of course it will be 3 2. And we already know that 1 and 5 is a link. Over. Just because of this yet, your order fits in. Got it? Very good, Megha. Why not 5 1? Because 5 says this poor state of preservation. Which poor state of preservation? Ye hai poor state of preservation. So that's why 1 and 5 are connected. Clear? Did all of you understand this? Okay, got it, guys? Yet and but it depends on how it's placed, Shiva. Yes, Devanshi. Yes, Vishal. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go to the next one. Come on, next question on your screen. Come on, guys. Yes, Avinash, you should see, because otherwise you'll not be able to understand these questions. Yes, Kshitij, I will. Good, Avinash. Oh wow, Diya, that's so great. Congratulations. Really happy. Congratulations. Arey, so sweet, Devanshu. That's really nice. You might be sad, but I'm really happy. She got selected in the entrepreneurship club of her college. Pratham, don't say that about yourself. No, Ritam. Okay, guys, shall we discuss this? Come on. Correct, Diya. Or you mentioned that too today. Okay, guys, 32541. Come on, let's discuss this. For many women workers in India, the decision to seek work is often driven by necessity rather than economic opportunities. ये opening sentence हो सकता है. Wow, Anushka, that's really good. Congratulations. Unlike its Asian peers, which saw a sharp increase in the proportion of women workers as their growth rates picked up, the Indian economy has seen the share of women in the labor force decline. 5 years after India's official statistics recorded a sharp decline in the share of women in India's labor force, a new large-scale survey conducted in 2016 shows that the proportion of working women in the country has barely improved. Guys, can I say that this gives us the context? Yes or no? So 3 is going to be the opener. Yes? Now, this talks about the statistics. Which other statement talks about statistics? 2. Yes or no? 5, 1 and 4 talk about reasons. Okay, they talk about reasons. Vishal saw a sharp increase in which year? According to which survey? According to this survey. Got it? Did you understand the point? Now, see, Ayan, first you give the statistics and then you do the analysis, correct? This is the logic. So 3 and 2, both the statements give us the statistics. And then you come to the analysis part. Got it? Did you understand this point, guys? 2 is also giving a statistic, right? Sharp increase in the proportion. Share has declined. Yes or no? Okay, I'll explain why not the other orders. Ek baar yes or no. So we put 3 and 2 together. Now, 2 says, one reason for the low participation is the rise in the enrollment rates, which has led many young women to pursue education. Okay, now, And other, this is one reason. Can I say this is another reason? 5 and 4 का link होगा. Could be rising prosperity itself. Rising prosperity से economic opportunities linked होगा. Yes or no? See, guys, listen to this. We start with 3. Okay. It talks about statistics. This also talks about statistics. So why can't we put 3 and 2 together? We complete the statistics and then give the reason. These are reasons. These are reasons. These are reasons. We give the statistics and then we give the reasons. Got it? So those are saying 3 and 1. What is the connection between 3 and 1? What is the connection between 3 and 1? Which word, which idea did you connect it? How did you connect the two? I have connected 3 and 2 because it says saw a sharp increase. Saw a sharp increase, decline, proportion, statistics. Yes, Vishal. So 2 and 3 is also possible. Okay, you want to go with first 2 and then 3. Acha, you want to go with 2 first and then 3. Now this says, unlike its Asian peers which saw a sharp increase, okay, the Indian economy has seen the share of women in the labor force decline precisely when it has been growing the fastest. Now, when have you seen this? Have you seen this last year or have you seen this in 2020? When have you seen this? You have seen this in the survey, na? Yes or no? Got it? That seen word is crucial. Where have you seen it? When have you seen it? According to the survey, what has displayed it? The survey has displayed it. So that's why 3 and 2 are connected. Can't it be from an earlier survey? But that would be an assumption, Vishal. That is going to be an assumption. Okay. Then one reason, another reason. 4 and 5 ka link hai, or फिर we end with 1. Did all of you understand these points? Clear with this, guys? तो इसीलिए विशाल, you have to give at least 2.5 minutes. इतना सोचने का time के लिए you have to give 2.5 minutes. Lot of students just take 1 minute and give the answer. Oh no, Bhavesh, it's not my birthday. Your friends have wished me for Teachers' Day. Arey, that's so sweet, Pallavi, and I'm so glad that that's appreciated. Thank you. Okay, got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Done. Okay, yes, guys, we'll stop the class here for today. We'll complete it. You know, guys, कल 5 बजे रखेंगे, and tomorrow morning का special class, I will keep you updated. Okay. Arey, no problem, Bhavesh. Guys, don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA while taking the subscription. And thank you. Done, Vishal. We'll take it up in our special class. Thank you, guys. Good night. Tata. Bye-bye. Bye, Diya, Amresh, Avinash, Riyashi, Kashvi, Ayush. हाँ, done. Long term के लिए 8 ही. कभी 1 or 2 days I will try, 11. Bye-bye, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you, Varma. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Which ID, Devanshi? Which ID? Bye, Pratham. Okay. I don't know, Devanshi, that. Mera not active, Kashvi, on it. Don't like social media. Dance Sanskriti. Okay. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. But you can search me from my name. It'll be Ritu Dudoriai. Home hai, but I'm not active. Done, guys. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Is it Devanshu? I'll check. Bye bye, guys.